10 Steps on how to convert 401k to a Silver IRA without paying taxes or penalties. 1. Know the tax impact. Understand the tax implications of converting your 401k to a Silver IRA to avoid unexpected costs. 2. Find a Silver IRA custodian. Research and choose a reputable custodian who can handle precious metal investments. 3. Do a direct rollover. Transfer funds directly from your 401k to the Silver IRA to avoid taxes and penalties. 4. Pick a qualified custodian. Select a custodian approved by the IRS to manage your Silver IRA. 5. Explore silver options. Look into different silver investment options like coins, bars, or ETFs, considering factors like liquidity and storage needs. 6. Follow IRS rules. Familiarize yourself with IRS guidelines to ensure compliance and protect your retirement savings. 7. Complete the rollover. Once you've chosen a custodian and silver investments, proceed with the rollover transaction while following IRS procedures. 8. Secure storage. If you choose physical silver, make sure to store it in a secure facility to prevent theft or damage. 9. Stay informed. Keep an eye on silver market trends and regularly review your Silver IRA to adjust your strategy as needed. 10. Seek professional help. Consider consulting financial advisors or retirement planners for expert guidance throughout the process to optimize your retirement savings. Converting your 401k to a Silver IRA without taxes or penalties requires careful planning, adherence to rules, and seeking expert advice. By following these steps, you can diversify your retirement portfolio with silver assets and work towards long-term financial security. Do you want to learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment? Download your free Gold IRA guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.